if I told you that you could own a piece of history, a rare and rugged SUV that can take you anywhere, and a convertible that lets you enjoy the open air? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. It's the 1978 International Scout Convertible V8 Automatic, and it's for sale right now. But why should you buy this classic car? What makes it so special and valuable? And how can you get your hands on it before someone else does? In this video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about the 1978 International Scout Convertible V8 Automatic, the ultimate off-road vehicle that combines power, performance, and style. I'll show you its features, its history, its current and future price, and how you can contact the seller and make an offer. So, if you're ready to discover the 1978 International Scout Convertible V8 Automatic, the car that will make you stand out from the crowd and turn heads wherever you go, then stay tuned and watch this video till the end. The 1978 International Scout Convertible V8 Automatic is a rare and desirable model of the International Harvester Scout, a line of SUVs that was produced from 1961 to 1980. The Scout was one of the first civilian 4x4 vehicles, and it competed with the Jeep, the Ford Bronco, and the Chevrolet Blazer. The Scout was known for its versatility, durability, and reliability, and it was used for various purposes, such as farming, hunting, camping, racing, and military service. The 1978 International Scout Convertible V8 Automatic is one of the last and best versions of the Scout. It has a powerful 8-cylinder engine that delivers 345 horsepower and an automatic transmission that makes it easy to drive. It has a 4-wheel drive system that can handle any terrain and weather conditions. It has a body type that is both an SUV and a convertible, meaning that you can remove the hardtop and enjoy the sun and the breeze. It has a tan exterior color that matches the natural environment and a brown interior color that creates a cozy and comfortable atmosphere. It has 2 doors and 2 seats, making it ideal for solo adventures or romantic getaways. It has a clean vehicle title, meaning that it has no liens or damages. It has a low mileage of 78,000, meaning that it has a lot of life left in it. And it has a private seller, meaning that you can negotiate directly with the owner and get a fair deal. The 1978 International Scout Convertible V8 Automatic is not only a great car to drive, but also a great car to invest in. According to the market data from Classic.com, the average sale price of a 1978 International Scout II, the model name of the convertible version, is $37,728, and the highest sale price is $82,500. The prices have been steadily increasing over the years as the demand for classic cars has been growing. The 1978 International Scout Convertible V8 Automatic is a rare and sought-after model, as only a few thousand were made, and even fewer are still in good condition. This means that the value of this car will only go up in the future, and you can expect to make a profit if you decide to sell it later. So, how can you buy this amazing car? Well, it's very simple. All you have to do is contact the seller and make an offer. The seller has listed the car for sale on eBay, a website that specializes in classic cars. The asking price is $5,500, which is a bargain compared to the market value. The seller has provided photos of the car, which are 100% of the description, and has asked the buyers to base their questions and purchase off of the photos. The seller has also stated that the car was running when it was parked a few years back, and that it needs some restoration work. The seller has specified the payment methods and the shipping arrangements, and has made it clear that the car is sold as is, where it is, and in as is condition. So, what are you waiting for? If you're looking for a car that is unique, fun, and valuable, then the 1978 International Scout Convertible V8 Automatic is the perfect choice for you. This car will give you the thrill of driving off-road, the pleasure of cruising with the top down, and the satisfaction of owning a piece of history. This car is a rare and desirable model that is hard to find and easy to love. And this car is a smart and profitable investment that will increase in value over time. But you have to act fast, because this car won't be available for long. Someone else might snatch it before you do. So, don't hesitate, don't delay, and don't miss this opportunity. Contact the seller today and make an offer. And get ready to enjoy the 1978 International Scout Convertible V8 Automatic, the car that will change your life.